Breaking news. Intence issue a next box and then go post about it. Jahshii, you don't wanna miss this.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, me link Chaddy Marie. Buttertongue, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So in case you live under a rock, probably you don't know about the ongoing feud that's going on between Jahshii and Intence. Now people, it is alleged that Jahshii entourage and Intence entourage got in a huge brawl at Reggae Some Fest. Backstage Reggae Some Fest, I should say. Now let me make this clear again. Jahshii never get no box directly at that point, and Intence never get no box at that point. Zine, I just the two entourage them a fist it out. And to its sound, Intence set a entourage was the weakest link. So me would say them get beat up, allegedly. Zine, not Intence, the entourage member them. Now, what we know for a fact, Intence did go on stage and I go on cross, hungry and miserable, like a him name Bounty Killer and Aishana just wine pon him head. We not talk about that still. But what we do know, and where the whole of some fest see, and hear when Intence diss up Jahshii on stage. Never call a name again, but him say, yo, I want to some man, wanna feel like you can diss me. Remember say wanna shot in yourself already and and him start give a bag of tough chat on the stage. When me hear it in the first place, me I say, wait, when me hear that shot part there, me I say, one man, me know for out on the media and say he shot himself, and it was Jahshii. Then the vlogger Amari forward and confirm everything in a review we do. People, we done do them review they already, talk about them story they already. So let's move on. After that now, bag of talk I make on the media, and I guess Intence and him entourage member them kind of feel somewhat aware because them feel like a clown. For Amari, the vlogger, I forward on the media and I say, yo, your entourage member them get boxed down. Yo, watch you know, them entourage member, the unreal entourage member, them come like some fake entourage member. When them fear defend the artist, them the all about a look girl. And a big gimmicks, Amari gimmicks him out. So, Intence do a stage show over Portland, which I was present. So during this stage show now, a bag of artists get booked for the stage show. You know what I mean? Artists like Curvy Diva get booked. Artists like Pretty get booked. Artists like Chanel Muir get booked. Big bad artists like Sing Jayy get booked. And people, me I go share Sing Jayy performance and an interview later down in this review. So, I want to watch out the review here to the end. A whole heap of surprise in the review here, so just watch it. Ensure artists like Briscoe get booked, and of course Intence get booked. So people, before Intence go up on the stage go right now, you know that little section there, them will go have the talker phone and them say a bag of things before them reach on the stage for people can see them. Make them performance get like a wow, you know what I mean? Them not just want to run on the stage normal like how Alkaline they just walk on Reggae Some Fest stage. But people, we not talk about that. We are talk about Intence, you know. So when Intence the side stage, I make the chat before him forward on stage. Remember I make them talk and I make sure say everybody hear him. I'm gonna play what exactly him say.
Stop reading there! Stop reading there! Cause see some bag of rumors on the internet. I want to clear up that you hear. No boy! No way! What was that? The whole 1452 you hear. A badness. Just reading the modern. I'm say big up scared. Yeah, yeah. All of you race can bust some black men. Good people do a good people. Briscoe, big up yourself, said we are. Yeah, yeah.
No, no understand, say the man them really a beef. I mean, I go in on no more long talking, backtrack where this beef are forward from. Or just watch the previous reviews, them what me do. Alright, so right now, me hear from the show say, a member of Intence entourage got box down. Now people, I'm not even 100% sure because two different sources are tell me two different things. One source I tell me say, yo, Jahshii get boxed down from Intence. Then another source I tell me say Jahshii never get boxed down, is a member of Jahshii entourage get boxed down. So I don't know if Intence entourage them get braver now, or more than say Intence entourage is not brave, so Intence have to go out there go do the work for the entourage member. I don't know what take place, but if that happen, I feel like they need to fire the entourage member then. No more KFC or Burger King for him. But for the big man level still, some box don't go on. If it's not Jahshii get the box, an entourage member get the box. And Intence even brawling with it and go upon him Instagram story and post this. Hey boy, uno a media troublemaker. Tell your friend them, defend them box there, pussy. So either which way, some box go on. And people, don't get confused. This is not the same box we are talking about we go on at some fest. This is a brand new box after the show where Intence did give out him warning from. And this is after Terradan did that review, or I should say interview with Jahshii. You know what I mean? But on a big man level still, me I got thief the line from one of Terror review them. We love war. Me not tell a lie. Me love the war. Me love the foolishness. But you have a thin line where you have to draw between lyrical war and physical altercation. And right now, these are two set of boxes we are here about we issue out right now. You see me? One being confirmed and the Sumfest box down is still a mystery. Me no feel like it's a mystery. It's just that we not see no video, no post about it. But me feel like a box down is if it's true and them a try hold it down. But then again, it kind of hard for hold long something like that at some face backstage with so much camera. And you tell me not one phone, not one person, no video, nothing so. I don't know. People want to tell me in the comment section what they think. And then me have to whole heap, you know. Me have to pray deep, you know, people. I'm one to reason with me, you know. Stinger forward back, you know. Remember, say Stinger forward, all brisk come sit on the media. I promote Sting like he's a clash artist. I don't know me, know him sing code and him sing 10th floor or 44 floor or some floor argument. We don't know him sing no gun song like that yet. Make us say yes, he's a clash artist. He must go prove himself. We see Silk Bass go so booms and shoot off a Jahshii Waddy and now Jahshii and Intence. So is it that Jahshii is the main target? Is it that all of this just orchestrate for give back Sting a buzz, you see me, and make Sting forward back with a bang? I don't know. Leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think. But right now, boxer issue from left, right, and center. But it's not a laughing matter still. And the artists them we are listening this right now. Yeah, me know I listen this right now. You see me? Jahshii and Skeng and even Silk Bass. I want to put everything right now in a songs, brother. Put it in a songs. I want to just wait until it closer to Sting. I want to just wow. But this box down over this and box down over here, so it don't look good for the career and it don't look good for the music and it just don't look good as an upcoming artist. And what day me I praise all of them upcoming artists and I say me like how everything are going smooth. Everybody a unity, you see me? Everybody a big friend, and now in a split second everything just change up. Jaja, artists, me I beg you no please no issue no more box. Any more box you want issue, just write it on piece of paper, go voice it in the studio and then send it. Deliver the box there in a lyrical war, a lyrical box you talk about. You see me? And if you don't agree, just state it in the comment section below. But people, me don't tell you say me I go show no a artist. I mean me I go bring the time kind of run up on us still, but we still have time though. We are gonna talk about this artist that worked on the same platform that Jahshii worked, and we are going to share his performance. And I did an interview backstage with him, and this is everything. So the artist goes by the name Jayy, and he's a Portland artist, you know what I mean? So I want to run go over and page. I'm going to leave a link in the comment section below or in the description. A bad artist, and from Chaddy say a bad artist, I'm going to tell you this publicly. Anyone I want to feel like you know want the artist them there lyrical. Anyway, still here is Jayy's performance at Beach Euphoria in Portland, Boston, Portland to be exact.
Please welcome on stage right now, none other than Jayy. Press me right now. No man, Mr. Guy in the club man. Intence coming with the shot man. So from the thing of the car, but the end up. Pushing it far more with top. How which girl that up right thing? You know it's time, go down. Yeah, watch out. If you look at like back road, you expect your feet handful. Smoke more than the piece in a control. Be a thicker from a foot, so the cat roll up. No girl that me never miss a pan slow. Violate and the killer never top shoot up. No girl that will put the count and two. Couple million full of tracks and plans. Girl can black my brain and you be teacher. When that man meet her, I jump bubble up on the teacher. Talk up if you want get a visa. But charge up the pussy never get a visa. Hey, I want, you know what's that? Play, you know what man, one time, you know. Next one. Bitch, we outside, you know what go man. We're not take too long to play with the crime, you see? You know what? How we can set the PS. That's an Intence. That's a bastard. One gun here, Jayy, you know that? What's up, Tyler? Mr. Yeah, we are set the PS. That means and the copy place, fully get put away to the street. We are in the place, anyways, money, but it's still in our lane. Here, both chilling, I play, take me neck. You know what I go down? This is the life, you know. Nah, man, down. Watch out. Other people never tell man. Be foreign, a private, pretty young man. Run out, panic, like never tell man. When I dance on spaceships to a motor, and the moon gone, they a pool of bad. I'm the straight like the ear by it. Watch out, I'm poor and they a weird that a uniform. It's the good show. We do it the time, tell them how we have said it. Without check that man, you see that?
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I'm here telling us people, we still lay alive on Beach Euphoria. You know what I mean? Right up at Boston Beach. And we're there with Jayy, wagwan.
Nah man, my bro, one family, you know that? Yeah man, we outside man, we are doing it, you know?
So, Jayy, tell me about your performance. How did you prepare for this performance?
You know, so we did band feet though, you see it? So we just forward and we do the best, regardless, any circumstances, you know? We just there man, short time but we just do it right side way.
Alright, so give me a piece of your latest single.
We are set the pace, dominate, and the copy place, bully gate, go the way till the streets, we are run the place. Anyways, money in I safe, happy champagne, fling in I pain, still in I lane, airport, chill in I pain, watch a style. For them know the God's done, see a nation, tell them the champion, I want Chaddy TV, yeah.
That is it right there.